Hi, I'm Archie, and I'd like to introduce you to a place where anyone can explore how artificial intelligence really works. Our workshops are designed for everyone, whether you're a student, a teacher, a job seeker, or just someone curious about how technology shapes the world around us. If you're a student, this is your chance to get hands-on with the future, learning how AI powers creativity, coding, and problem solving in ways that are simple and fun. If you're a teacher, our lessons and tools can help you bring AI into the classroom, sparking curiosity and digital confidence in your students. For job seekers and adults changing careers, we offer an opportunity to build essential digital and tech skills that employers are looking for, helping you feel more confident in an AI-driven world. And for community members of all ages, our sessions are about exploration and empowerment, using interactive tools, real-world examples, and creative challenges to make learning meaningful and enjoyable. You don't need any experience, just an open mind and a bit of curiosity. By the end, you'll understand how AI really works, how it's used in everyday life, and how you can use it to create, innovate, and grow. So whether you're learning, teaching, or looking for new opportunities, this is your place to start. Learn, create, discover the future with us.